Today we're going to be receiving furniture, and the guys are going to be setting things up. We'll be here placing it and making sure it all goes in the right spot and making sure we're not missing anything. There's about 40 to 50 pieces of furniture that are coming in for this main house anyways. There's also a pool house and outdoor furniture that we've ordered that we'll be installing in the spring. I would say the most special thing about this delivery is that we have almost everything. Even with what we're dealing with COVID delays, we ordered it far enough in advance that things were waiting for us to be ready on site here, which is really awesome. Having multiple people involved gives me the opportunity to see where we may need a last minute shopping trip to go and grab a missing soap pump or some light bulbs or some bumper pads because something's not sitting perfectly flat. So when there's multiple people involved, it just gives us the opportunity to really create a smooth delivery process. The next step is getting artwork installed. Once things are kind of cleaned up and there's less things in the way and less room for damage, we get artwork up on the wall. Artwork is a huge investment, especially when we're talking about some of the commission pieces and original pieces that we've got in this home. So using a professional art hanging service is definitely something that we always do and we would always recommend. They know what types of hooks and anchors to use in order to keep the artwork secure and safe. And the level of precision is just really amazing to make sure that it's hung properly. So accessories really make a home a home. We've worked with these clients now for over a year. We've gotten really to get to know them and what things they're attracted to and what types of things they'd want to see in their home and just really finalizing their space with it. Shopping for the extras is a fun process. It's a very creative process for me. You need to be in person and see things in person for scale and be able to group things together in a store. So for me anyways, the best way to do that is in person at stores, and I have some of my favorites for sure, and they're all very much so represented in this house. And I was thinking the cranes. I really like working with a stylist who specializes in home styling. It's just nice to have another creative eye involved in that process and somebody to bounce ideas off of. Can somebody get us a cocktail, please?
Yes.
So the clients know to a certain degree of what it's going to look like, but we focused on the 3D renderings for this house for the construction aspect. So they wanted to see what all the millwork and what all the finishes would look like, but we didn't take it through to representing exact furnishing and finishings. So it's going to be a big surprise when they come home. It's going to be a big grand reveal, which I'm super excited about.